Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title, Python classes tutorial with examples. Introduction. Python is an object-oriented programming language, and one of its key features is the ability to create and use classes. Classes allow you to structure your code in a more organized and modular way, making it easier to manage and maintain. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of Python classes using examples. Explanation. 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 This tutorial provides a foundational understanding of Python classes, including class creation, object instantiation, inheritance, and encapsulation. Experiment with the examples to solidify your understanding and explore more advanced concepts as you progress in your Python programming journey. ChatGPT.